Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to view network data usage details per app in Windows 10. Monitoring your data usage can help you keep track of which apps consume the most data on your network. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu, providing access to various Windows features and settings. Step 2. Next, go to Settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear-shaped settings icon in the Start menu, or by pressing the Windows key +I on your keyboard. The settings window will appear. Step 3. In the settings window, click on the network and internet icon. This will take you to a range of network-related settings and options. Step 4. Within the network and internet settings, click or tap on the status icon located on the left side. This will open the network status information for your connected networks. Step 5. Now, on the right side of the window, click or tap on the data usage button of the network you want to view. This will provide you with detailed data usage information for that specific network. Step 6. You will now see the data usage per app from the last 30 days for the selected network. This information will help you identify which apps are consuming the most data on your network, allowing you to manage your data usage more effectively. Congratulations! You have successfully viewed network data usage details per app in Windows 10. Use this knowledge to stay informed and make informed decisions regarding your network usage. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.